Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show my Coach in-store purchase. So I went to Coach boutique and just to see what they have for a summer sale. So before I open this box, let me show you a little clip of what they have in store. So let's watch this. So I got this one in stores. So guys, they do have like as much as probably like 50% off. So you can find almost like anything from ready to wear, from their shoes, from footwear, from a jewelry, but more likely I'm more interested with purses. So I got it back. Let's open it. So, okay. Oh, wow. They did wrap it nicely. Look at, oh, I dropped something. Let me just pick the one up. So, I dropped the card holder. So, on my previous unboxing, from my Coach haul from my previous unboxing, I already got one of these. So I purchased another one because I just really love the color. I just really love the style. I just really love, I mean, now that I have it, I don't know, I love it even more. It's because it's very soft. It's made up of a really high quality pebbled leather. And yeah, it could fit 7 cards in here. You could put a lot more right here in the middle. So it has 3 card slots here in front and also 3 at the back and the one large compartment in the middle. So yeah, I just love this one. It's very, very flexible. You could tell that this one was very well made and it's made up of high quality leather. So I love it. So let me go into the other one that I purchased. It's this one, my clutch. So let's take a look at how the clutch. So I already seen this one in the store. Glad that they didn't give me a store model. They gave me a new one in plastic, which is nice. So let's take a look. So this is my multicolor clutch from Coach, and this one actually is part of their original. So this is part of their originals collections. Oh my goodness, look at the color. It's so beautiful. It's so vibrant, guys. I mean, when I saw this one on the website, it's gorgeous. I mean, no doubt it's gorgeous, but when I saw it for real, it's even nicer. It's even beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, look at the leather. Oh my gosh, the leather is made of, it's very soft. It has like a buttery feel to it. And this one is made up of, yeah, it says here, the original glove ton leather. Yeah, it's very, very soft, very smooth. I mean, oh my goodness, let me just take a look. Let's see what we have here. Let me remove this stuffing. This one is made up of the iconic glove tan leather. As you can see, it is so smooth. And this is actually, they have like, it has 3 different colors, guys. So this is more of like a dark green right here. And this one is a little bit more, the lining over here is a little bit of like a lighter green, and the purple, the amethyst. So yeah, I just love the color coordination between those 3 different colors. Let me remove the rest of the stuffing. So let me show you a little bit of how the bag looks like. So that's the front. This is the Turnlock. It opens like this. And let's take a look at the side. Oh, look at the side. I so love the classic edge binding here. The binding right here in the corner. This is actually like a piece of leather that they put it right here in the corner to bind. I'm glad that it's not, they didn't put any glazing in this. So that's a plus. So this one comes with a strap, and it's purple, the amethyst strap. And it has, yeah, the strap is adjustable and also removable. So you could adjust the strap however you want it, and also you could remove. That's what I like about the straps. About this bag, you could remove the strap and you could just customize it however you want it. So if you have a chain strap, so you could do that as well. So you could just basically you can dress this one up. And I love the shape of this one. I don't remember if I have this particular shape in my collection. So this is a little bit more of like a, how they call this shape, a little bit more of like the elongated shape. So yeah, it's structured. The bag is actually structured. And on the back of this, it has one slip pocket. So you could put your phone or anything that you could just easily grab. So let me just see if I have my iPhone XR. Let's see if it fits right at the back. Yes, perfectly. It slides in perfectly. I like that. Oh my gosh, it's really soft, guys. And also, again, this is the hang tag. And also, what's nice about this bag, it's because it's very simple. It's just like, I like the simplicity of it. The hang tag right here. The hang tag says Coach Leatherwear. And the top handle, I love top handle bags. It's just like, I could put it in my arms just like that, no problem. Yeah, this is not adjustable, and also this is not removable. And let's open inside, see what this bag has to offer. So on the inside, very nice. Look at the lovely leather lining, guys. Oh my goodness. I mean, that's another thing about this bag. It's just like the inside has a leather lining which means that it makes your money worth. And also, it has a zip pocket right here. I think it's smooth, very nice. And also, oh, this is like a one slip pocket right here where you could put some cards. Just one like that. But probably I'm not going to be able to use that. Probably not going to be able to put any in there. And also, it has another slip pocket here. Over here. And look, the inside is all leather. This bag is basically all leather. And oh, look at the tag. Oh, I thought so. Oh, this was embossed. Wow. Very nice. Oh, it says here, limited edition. So guys, this is a limited edition. Well, I already know it is a limited edition. That's why I'm getting it. So, and yes, it is not a patch, but it was totally embossed right through the leather. Oh my gosh, that is so lovely. That is so lovely. Very well constructed purse. I so love it. The inside. Also, let me see. Okay, this one right here on the pocket, the big pocket, this one is actually the textile lining. That's fine. But overall, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. So, yeah, this is perfect for summer, basically. And this is just like, I don't know. The reason why I got this one, it's because of the color itself. So green is one of my most favorite color. It is my lucky color. And also, it's lovely. It's nice. I mean, this was probably, I think this was on sale. Yes, this was in sale for $237. And yeah, $237. I was thinking of if I put any discounts or anything. Well, I think I have an in-store Rakuten for this one. I could not remember if how much I paid for it, but I know that I always get, back-to-back discounts when I shop at Coach, because I always check for their promotions or anything like that. And let's take a look at the part where I always check. I am so meticulous when it comes to stitching. And look at how beautiful the stitching is. Right at the corner. Beautiful. At the top handle. On the side. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think this was originally like $395. So basically, if you pay with tax, it's $400 something plus. So now that it's on sale, so yeah, it's up for grabs, guys. I mean, this is beautiful. Normally, like a Coach, when it comes to the originals, they don't really lower the price, especially also this one comes in different colors. They have white, chalk, they call it chalk, and also black, and also this one comes also with more of like a yellow, but the yellow is out of stock. And basically the colors that are neutral, like the chalk and also the black, never goes on sale. But well, I could always have, I already have a lot of black and white as well, so but this one is such something unique that I could add in my collection. And the pop of color, it's beautiful. It is so beautiful, the craftsmanship and how this bag was totally well built. The material, the leather, oh, the leather lining is to die for. Oh my goodness, like seriously, guys. So I was like so mesmerized with how this bag was very well constructed, and I would highly recommend this. Out of so many Coach bags that I have, I would definitely gonna recommend this collection. I mean, 100% makes your money worth. It has such a classy and elegant look. The material, oh, just I'm probably gonna have to sit all day long and talk about how well made this purse is. It was just so beautiful. It was so beautiful. So yeah, I can't wait to wear this one. So probably that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I always enjoy doing an unboxing, and I still have a lot more coming. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your wonderful and kind messages. And have a great weekend, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye.